It's almost someone that is almost Portuguese.
Ajagura is what language?
Ajagura is Portuguese.
Okay.
Yes. So he originated he is the guardian angel of Portugal.
Uko Portuguese is here ya will be a friend Ajagurajah Day. I'm celebrating Bofo Ajagurajah.
Utantro, Oboa. BBS anyo. Oboa.
Ajagura, boy Bofo, a Portuguese kasa. Ajagura chere warrior. Ajagura. And only a one word. And Aja chere God. It's the warrior God. Ajagurajah.
The Ajagurani chere warrior. Jani chere God. Okay. Warrior of God. Ajagurajah.
Hey, Oboa.
I don't take madness. I don't take far. I don't take so far,
Ajagura, and only a one word, and Aja, God, it's the warrior God, Ajagurajah.
The Ajagurani chere warrior, Jani chere God, okay, warrior of God, Ajagurajah.
That time to no believe the difference between Bofo and Abosom. It's almost someone that is almost Portuguese. It's almost someone that is almost Portuguese. It's almost someone that is almost Portuguese. Ajagura. The Portuguese custom. Ajagura ni a warrior. Okay, okay. It's almost drawn someone who can see kind of It's almost someone that is that time. Because someone who is a Bofo. And spirit to be as if I attribute you to be a god.
Wabua.
It's Ajagurajah, Johnny the God. Yes. It's warrior of God, Ajagurajah. Okay. And now the whole world. The whole world as it stands. But then suffer penny. No suffer penny. So be you should have. But men suffer penny. Okay. Wow. I come and come and come. Okay. Rather than suffer penny. I come and come and come. Okay. Rather than suffer penny. I come and come and come. Okay. Rather than suffer penny. Suffer.
The Bible says we are the salt of the earth. You can replace the earth with society. So we are the salt of society. We are the light of society. When you say you can affect society positively. Na say you asuma the crop for say omo ko affect society positively no. Sa no mo samo so asuma the crop for say omo so ko affect society negatively. One of the agents am sama suma no, in my opinion no, and this branch here friend Ajagurajah. Anytime bia na obekasa no, he is shaping minds, he is shaping society, he is influencing how people think. And you know, those of us who care about Christ and who care about society and who care about Christianity, and you can say that we must let people know who this guy is. And only one of the things I've taken upon myself to let Ghanaians know who this guy called Ajagurajah and who the entity called Ajagurajah, who these people are. Now, according to this guy Kwabena Asiamah, he always tries to do damage control, or make deceive people about who this entity called Ajagurajah is. According to this guy, or say this entity Ajagurajah, or the guardian angel of Portugal.
So Ajagura is what language?
Ajagura is Portuguese.
Okay.
Yes. So he originated he is the guardian angel of Portugal. Yes, the guardian angel of Portugal.
What's going on here?
Kasongo Mombali nanga. Kasongo mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh yeah. Kasongo mbona wewe. Mbona wewe.
Ajagurani chere warrior. Jani chere God. Okay. Warrior of God. Ajagurajah. And you know, uko Portuguese is here ya will be a friend Ajagurajah Day. I'm celebrating Bofo Ajagurajah. Bofo be unyankupo trade and bombo no bia no country be was as is be a kurubia wo bia o man Bofo so nhweso. Sada de te. Ajagurajah no ye Portuguese for Bofo. Obo Wikipedia is here, the guardian angel of Portugal.
Now who are Portuguese?
Menya Portuguese ni get a number from Portugal. Menya Portugal ni. All of you for also be to say obi to call Sebi Broni Krum no call adopt Broni worship and
yeah.
I don't know what happened. I think they went to Portugal.
Okay.
and they adopted that religion.
Okay.
And they brought it to Nigeria.
Okay.
And they came from Nigeria to Ghana with it.
Okay.
Portugal forward there, the worship Ajagurajah or Portugal. It's Ajagurajah a demon. A demon you watch you.
Iti debiano, I ask myself, say, everybody said on Mofua, Yamede or my Portugal, Ashawusa. Everybody said on Witibija or my Portugal, Ebidi, Abrantia, Bakuachi, Ewa Ghana, ha, say, Oduna, Obaba, the sacrifices, Edia Koma, Oyankopo. How is that possible?
I am of Ajagurajah and the Dynamo. You, but the man Abraham Yangupo, Isaac Yangupo, Jacob, but for penny agent to assassin so on Diako.
Yes, and I use you.
But the name of Ajagurajah and Sumo, but on Amakuno.
ABC that our Old Testament, Nibu Ana, Sir Obofobi, Yamede, or maybe Shellsa, Utibija, or Sa or Binoho, Ekudi, Ubifu Frechi. How is that possible? Okay, that is the first question. The second question is by the side of Crawford, it's me man or before you call it. A day the man Crawford jar or before you ho omu entimi unfollow before you. Say if says or before you send car or your before papa by the say and a omino Portugal it be jano was also abacase na onone aladula for omu angel and I say omu entity. Senka or your good entity by the side aladula for so ejani hoa omu so unfollow no achibium. I began to ask all these questions, sir. You realize it just doesn't make sense. He's only deceiving the people. He was trying to define near Ajagurajah or say the warrior of God. Now so Osaka said the warrior God.
The Ajagurajah warrior, Jani God.
Okay.
Warrior of God, Ajagurajah.
It's the warrior God, Ajagurajah.
Warrior of God, Ajagurajah.
The warrior God, Ajagurajah.
Say all the while say Oka said the warrior of God now. It makes it look as though say bia Ofrinyankopon and I say bia or you divine. But say Oka said the warrior God now. And only the correct translation. But sometimes he doesn't say the warrior God no. Oka said the warrior of God. Or say yewo isu Nyankopon. Say water God. Yewo inframa Nyankopon. A wind God. Yewo mefan say agrada aprana Nyankopon. The thunder God. So no, it is our way no. The warrior God, semi fans and Tokwa Yankopon. Yankopon not in as in big G but small G. Okay, just as we have river God, thunder God, wind God, rain God, fire God. No, we a warrior God in the sense of Pentokwa. It is the warrior of God. Or kind of warrior of God now, it makes it look divine, but the warrior of God, the warrior God. Do you understand? Is Ajagurajah trying to claim say Portugal for no Sebio Obedi Jansa ana obetime who the difference between a divine angel and a non-divine angel. Or part say Portugal for no Ajagurajah they couldn't tell the difference ebia ofinyame ana say ofinyame ana e ba they say and the typical basa it is said ebia all kan kire yana nanum say bia we fa the comfort no chemo and nobody ade no they didn't know say abosom no efri me fa the Nyankopon. They were not stupid. Our ancestors, no, they were not stupid to know the differences between these entities. These entities, no, they were not stupid. The same way, no, I don't think Southern Portugal for no, when we are stupid enough, they will not be able to know the difference between before the divine spirit and I say be idols and I say be abosum. I don't tell them about the side of Obosum no Tisabosum or Portugal. Or part is a Portugal for no, Obajimiana. I don't think it's a Portugal for no Obajibi. They were right. Say Obu Besum the Sabosum because or your Musum.
Jobu draw no sum no okuta ne sika ni bibia jobu sum the Sabosum. Satan Christo sum obu ma dey for the bofo. And spirit be as for my attribute you to be a god. Also Satan tetem no. Nobody the difference between bofo and abosom.
Okay.
And jobu sum no Sabosum Portuguese. Ajagura.
Now the second question I want to ask is let us assume say the Portuguese, you know, they couldn't identify who the true nature of the entity Ajagurajah was. It is a Omo who the true nature now. Other than Ajagurajah also when revealing the whole unfunctional say, no, this is my true identity. Say enemy. And by the same Ajagurajah also one correcting Crawford. Let us assume say Mama Ofie, you don't know who I am. Now they be a ucha the mommy. Ucha me fan say and then tree any mommy. Now I guess I'm supposed to correct you. I'm supposed to tell you say no, this is not who I am. I am a divine angel sent from God. About the say and an entity Ajagurajah no one corrected and Crawford, one corrected Portugal for na Debiano Oboko Sucha Injay and a fancy and a G and a mano. If that wasn't who he was, he would have corrected them. But the reason why he didn't correct them is because that is who he was. Or your bosom, everything and that almost the same bosom. Unless say or person or say Portugal for Abrofono Obajibi. Unless or person or say Portugal for no Obudibijansa. Because if say Portugal for no Dibijansa they should be able to know the difference between Obofo and before say Obia Onye Bofo. Old Testament mono, angels appeared many times. Angels appeared to Jacob. This is like over 3,000 years ago, getting to 4,000 years ago. Jacob mo and before say Abraham mo and before say Moses mo angels appeared to them. Joshua mo angels appeared to them. Angels don't appear to them, and the angels revealed the identity to them, so that they will know who the angel is. So Crawford put the mistake, and who the entity Ajagurajah was. But they said that entity Ajagurajah when revealing his true identity, and find Chiromo. But they said that Crawford mistake, entity Ajagurajah so penny so. Meaning said the people didn't make a mistake. Meaning said the people really were right. But this guy is so smart, sir. He is always trying to play on the minds of the people. But he is not wiser or more intelligent than anybody. And you know, this is what I want to bring to you, sir. This guy, he is lying to you, he is deceiving you. Now, on one kasa, Nini Abema Crampo Abeka said, Sir, entity Ajagurajah, so, Aladula for Bofona or the Atone Bosoboso.
America is in Jamo. Abushabia was soon, and what? If you soon, if he.
Me na me papa no akonfo. Me na no kom tano.
Abusua bia wo sunsun eboa. Ye fie you sunsun ye fie. Ajagurajah o kan nyina. Me ameka asem jiro. Fie sunsun. Ye fie sunsun. Ela wode the church of Allah do the bofo atoso. And in the 2 weeks the edimoja no.
Me di normal me nu na ye adwuma. Saint and abofo me ntwa otro me use saint if me free saint ma on be gina ho and am sa wa abofo nti we ma we mu beba and am yan kase mo sunsun atimi as abofo na saint maya metimi di sunsun na ye adwuma atimi yan kase mu and fa na krasi ama na sema puduo no.
So your father is he a Christian?
My father is not a Christian, he is a spiritualist.
Sesusu enufia, utimi nyesusu.
Muntieni yo.
Sesusu enufia, utimi nyesusu. Mena na no kom tano. Ano de wu before. Aya me sia bed devil. Ana me se so ga wo mi e. Is your friend transfer of power.
Eti ayabosom and also na me fan say odi we so abeka ho. On say omo the demonic kingdom no. The more spirits they have, the merrier. And don't you know, also our 77 entities, and I say, I so angels. Aside those entities, no, a bible crambo san bako.
Okay, Papa, I'm saying that. Oh no, me and I know you.
77, but active ones are 71.
I'm 77.
The can't both for the same time, 77, but active ones are 71. Above what you soon.
What's it? Okay, active, I don't know.
Yes, 77 in never. But active ones are 71.
Maybe I'll find me a Chelsea fan. There you go. Chelsea. There be Chelsea England, your friends in London, and I'll come from the UK, Europe. Chelsea soon and I'm in the buyer, Natari, Fabian. Oh, okay. Blue and white. So soon and you suit to saying, oh, the suit you good color. Okay. When your body said, to your body said, you were attentive on your 4. Okay. Yes. It's a bonus here. The money now, the money measure Saturday and go should be blue and white. And I pass on the before the whole day. And then I tell the baby, I pass so what I do. And tell me one time, will be brief. Yes. Also, soft will be brief. The world soft more than 500. Okay. Spirit to be over the soon to be over the beer and a fatty. Okay.
I don't know in the demonic world, the more you have, the better. The more spirits you have, the better. I don't know, sir, spirit, I friend, sir, Ajagurajah. And I didn't aka the owo Erutino Emano and more so that he will be able to have more. That's all. On one casaso as a becase, or sanso other spirits be a winning, or sanso phrase saint. It's or no, or ye me fancy a blend of many things. And you may be brave and a wide walking come up. It is Sankasa entity Ajagurajah, Sanka or ye divine power, Sanka or ye divine power. Or ye Abraham Jacopo, Isaac Jacopo, Jacob Jacopo entity, and I say, Angela. About the saying Ajagurajah, Edibi Akano Hono, Adenaka Utibi Corretino, Adenaka Utibi Emparishino. Enka said, this is not who I am. But the angel accepts it. It's no on what I say, and even an oyeno. Senka Enya, Nika Ajagurajah, Ebijano.
Bebacho, Sabafa Ajagurajah, the million and in the one with Jamoko. I don't live my life to please you or anybody. Bebacho, Sabafa Ajagurajah, the million and in the one with Jamoko. I don't live my life to please you or anybody.
Ajagurajah agent the whole me say Ajagurajah supports the oyeno. Sana odiye na Portugal for no. It is a obu twa ma, obu ye we ma. Let's say just sana wotie as an entity. You should have been able to tell the Portuguese say I don't like that. This is not who I am. You should have been able to tell Ajagurajah say this is not who I am. But he accepts it because that is who he is. All that I'm trying to tell you is that we be odo rebesha sa branch we mono. There is no salvation for you. You are going to destroy your life. You are going to destroy your eternity. He is always lying. He is always contradicting himself. He is always lying. It's immediate. I have made a lot of videos on my YouTube. If you go to the search button, na say Ucheke Ajagurajah, Ubeja a lot of videos about Abrantia and friend of Ajagurajah. You know, there are a lot of contradictions and also so that. So when you go to my page and you search, you'll be able to find those videos I'm talking about. You know, this is what I want to bring to you. I want you to know some of these things. You will know how to defend Christ and how to defend Christianity. I don't know. I want to believe so what you may be. And if today is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment. Maybe to be sure we be free. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bloody November was in the air lifting me up the 13th level. Difakwa omunam 20th. Apostle Joseph from 44th level. Utum for 47. You are for Jakumufo. Or ye 33rd. Ya Apostle Joseph will free me party BM. Utum for 32. We're free me party BM. Utum for. We're free me party BM. Onye ni pe BM. We're free the party BM. Nobody can clock 50. Ultimate 50 and san will baby. Ultimate level 50 and san will. Asa, normal wo. Time kura me say, me kura me sin. Ajagurajah ni kameni. I feel me do 13. 13. You think it's easy? Woman then training me dey go for man sana mababa do 13. Me what 12. Bloody November men lift me up 13. Spirituality a mucha baka menshia. Friend menshia ni be able to say a day in rising and entry sen. Muja ni kufu. So the friend menshia. Busa him for say a day in rising mutum for mobuko. Sacrifice is the best. Uka say ni muja semua. Kamete maba bedu baby amedu. Question Mr. Ajagurajah movement come and tribute 2000. In your meeting kind. Woman and training, I am the good for my son, I'm about to do 13.